No. Okay, that's one way to do that. They make spots for that. See, I could turn here, but HH just isn't good enough for me. Now that is what I'm talking about. HHH, baby. HH was not enough, but this right here, this is it. Good guy, trucker. Giving me a look like it's my fault that you almost pulled right out in front of me. And also, it's getting shit done.
Yes,
really
very
well.
Effective, and he's also showing the.
That used to be a red light.
Yeah. You only have to stop at the ones that blink, I guess.
Oh. Okay.
It's hard because we struggle with, like, everyone in our lives just assumes.
That always throws me off.
Yeah, me
too. The right turn lane starts there.
Because we've been struggling our entire...
Oh, God. She wanted to call, talk to Lynn, and she wanted to call and make sure that she had... You're gonna hit that curb. Yeah. That's a humbling curb to hit, too.
And I cross roads the edge, and offering to suffer to the end where I began. It's over.
So looking forward to after. I mean, I know it starts next week technically for me, but having the 3-day weekends without actual shit to do. But
You with nothing to do? That's like my mom.
whoa, we sat for like 5 fucking minutes. I was gonna go if no one else was gonna. So I just have to arrange with my buddy I play games with all the time, like that I play Apex Legends with. He is a photographer and owes us a photo shoot, just in general. And say, question mark. Go, it is a green arrow. Fucking go. Fucking imbecile, man.